Hi Leos, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to see your April month predictions and we are going to see what are the guidance messages for you for the coming month. Alright, so this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you, and just take what resonates and leave the rest. Alright, so okay, before that I just want to know those who have come from my Instagram page. So thanks a lot for coming. And yes, we are going to do your detailed reading of this month and we are going to take out some future cards. So I have just done some trailers of all the signs in my Instagram page, and now for detailed reading we are here. Alright, so thanks a lot for coming and let's get started. And the overall energy, Leos, we have Three of Wands in reverse over here. Okay, so this means that it is, you might be feeling some kind of stagnation around you. Some delays might be coming in front of you in terms of your work, career, finances, like a promotion getting delayed again and again, something, because why I'm saying this, because your past cards are Six of Wands, Two of Wands in reverse and Knight of Wands in reverse. You actually experienced a lot of success. You experienced victory. You have seen public admiration around you. And, all of a sudden things went like, there was a U-turn. Like the more you have seen the success, the more you were successful. It was a success which came really fast to you. It can be a relationship as well, when you move on really fast and then all of a sudden it just stops. The person stopped talking to you, they are not replying, they are not calling you, and that is what it is going on. So something has stopped. You have seen delays, you are seeing stagnation, you are seeing stoppages. So that is what. So why is it like? Because you have seen success so much that it's like, for you now things have become like, what I'm doing, I am good for nothing. So this is the Knight of Wands in reverse. It is telling us that you actually, because of that fast success in your life, in your past, you were there, like you stopped thinking about a long-term goal in your life. You were so happy back then that you stopped thinking that what this relationship will take me to, whether this relationship is meant to be forever or not, whether this situation in finances is meant to be or not, like for future, like 5-term goals, 5-year goals, or 10-year goals. So that is why, because of that, delays happened. And all of a sudden, because when we stop thinking about long-term goals, we take decisions in accordance with short-term goals. So it was like you made some decisions, you made some bad decisions because of that, and that made all your life upside down just because of one decision. Alright, so in the present energies, we have the Lovers in reverse, Four of Pentacles, and the Moon in reverse. So yeah, although you cannot change those decisions now, you cannot correct those mistakes, but it's not impossible now. You can at least, you can make, you have seen your past mistakes. Now it's, you have to be ready to just make it like, your past decisions, make it better and make your present life and future life better. You really need to let go of those decision making, let go of those bad moments, whatever that is. Just let go of the things which are hampering your happiness, and who knows what the truth is exactly, and that will be revealed. You will get to know what the truth was, why this person stopped talking to you, why did it happen. You will get to know, because the present energies are saying so. I'm not saying anything. Alright, in the future cards, we have the Hierophant in reverse, Knight of Pentacles in reverse, and Three of Swords in reverse. So we have over here that, you have taken a decision. You have taken a decision, so just stick to the plan now. No need to change any plans. Stick to that decision which you have made. If you are not ready to call that person, do not call. Let that person call you back. If you are waiting for someone to call you back, just wait. Just stick to a decision which is made in the present. I'm not talking about the past decision, it's the present decision you need to take care of. And the Knight of Pentacles in reverse, it's telling us that you really need to just be active. You not just sit over there, be lazy like a Knight of Pentacles. He's very slow, and because of it has come in reverse, more than slow, you have become lazy. So that is what it is telling us, that you really need to just focus on. See, this is Knight of Pentacles in upright, we have it in reverse. So you really need to just stop being lazy. Okay, be active, do some work, do something else, just, you know, take your mind away. So in April season, I'm seeing that yes, you are doing it. If you are becoming lazy, just do not become lazy. Okay, do not go in that depression mode, no need, because it is seeming to me that you might enter, but since the cards are telling us that stick to the plan and not be lazy, be active, just don't, you know, always take decisions from your heart and mind. Just always try to balance those energies. Okay, because it's the ending of hard times. Because Three of Swords in reverse is like, because Three of Swords in upright is that ending, and you know, ending of good times. It's in reverse, so it means that ending of bad times. So yes, okay, so let's clarify this energy. Let's clarify the yours. What's there for my yours? What is there for my yours? For my Leos, why the Three of Wands is there in reverse. Three of Wands as an overall energy in reverse. The Magician, so you need to manifest. So it's full moon time as well. 28th was full moon, and yes, so it is that manifestation time. You really need to manifest. See, with the Magician, he has everything on his table. He has the sword, he has the wand, he has the cup, he has everything, pentacle as well. It means that you have everything around you. It's just you are not ready to let go of the past. So that is why you are not able to focus on the future and your present. So things have become delayed, things are stagnant in your life. Not because it's the time to be stagnant, no. I feel that positivity is there. You have everything, all the knowledge which you need to do. You know everything. It's just you might be even, you know, sometimes we just ignore some universe's messages. So you have everything basically. Just be aware, okay? Be aware around you. Just do not overlook what is going on. Do not overlook it. Do not overlook the signs. Never. They are trying to tell you something. If this person is not meant to be yours, it is true. It might be coming towards you, you know, because I have got the Knight of Wands over here. So for me, it's like a very temporary relationship. It can be this person might have started ghosting you, and that is why, you know, this is the best way to ignore someone, like not talking to that person. Stop talking to that person when we can't, like, you know, when we can't say no, we have to just ignore. All right, let's see why the Six of Wands is there in the past energies. Death. See, there was an ending of your victory, success, of all these good moments. See, this is the Six of Wands over here, and we have this death over here. Okay, so yeah, I feel that there is the proper ending of those good moments, good times. It came and it just ended everything. All of a sudden, things end all of a sudden. They don't tell us before ending that, okay, I'm going to end this so and so relationship. No, things happen abruptly. Two of Wands in reverse. Why is it here? Judgment. So as I already talked to you, that you made some decisions, you made some bad decisions, and that is why judgment is here. The judgment was done wrong in the past, and that is why all these things, like, you know, delays, setbacks, not able to move forward, where to go, all the situation came after that only, after the decision which you made. Why the Knight of Wands is there in reverse? Ace of Cups, yes, this was a new beginning with a person whom you thought that it might be love. This was a new beginning with something you thought that you will get a lot of success, but because of that, because of no goals, like, you know, no future goals, you just stop thinking. Let's see why the Lovers is there in reverse in my present energies for my Leos. The High Priestess. So the Lovers over here is telling us that, you know, because the Lovers in reverse, it is telling, wait, I will show you. So the Lovers and the High Priestess, it is showing us that, you know, it is not impossible to change your, it's not possible to change your mistakes, to change your decisions. No, that is not possible right now, but yeah, you can change your future by just you know, focusing on the present, I would say, because the High Priestess always tells us about how one knows everything from within, but it's always, you know, your gut is trying to tell you something, your intuition is actually playing over here, it is working. But what about you? Are you even listening to your intuition? Because you need to listen, my dear. Yeah, it's like you're not listening to your intuition, you're not working, you're not seeing the facts, you are just overlooking everything around you, you're not looking at the real picture, you are not focusing on the real truth. So that is the problem over here. Let's see why the Four of Pentacles is there in my present energies, in the present energies of my Leos. Why the Four of Pentacles is here? Okay, Knight of Swords. Yeah, you want things really fast, I feel. You know, it's really hard for you to just let go of the future, of the past, whatever happened, and you're not ready to deal with the present. Whenever present situation happens, you just want to run away from them, you just stay back there and live in the past memories. That is what you do, like holding on or just rushing. So these are the two qualities which you are having at present, because it's really hard for you to stay in the present and deal with the situation. You need to deal with the situation, whatever it is, you know. Don't rush. Don't rush. There was a song, a trend is going on in Instagram. Alright, so the Moon in reverse. Let's see why the Moon is there in reverse for my Leos in present energies. Okay, so I have a card, Nine of Wands. Yeah, I feel that you are stopping, you are blocking the truth to come towards you. You are the one who is blocking. The Moon in reverse tells us about the truth which is getting revealed. It's not hidden anymore. You know it, but you are not dealing with it. Nine of Wands. You're just standing over there, blocking yourself, blocking that person, not that person. I feel you're blocking your intuition to come out. You're blocking the truth to come out. You are the one who does not want to see the truth, what is happening around you. Okay, let's see why the Hierophant is there in reverse. Why the Hierophant is there in reverse for my future energies of my Leos. Four of Wands. Wow. So Hierophant in reverse with the Four of Wands. So this is telling us that you might be not just able to stick with the plan, because the universe wants you to stick with the plan in the future, in like April. Stick with the plan and you will get the victory. So Four of Wands, after that Five of Wands, and then Six of Wands come. So Six of Wands is here in the past. So that means that you have achieved success in the past, you will achieve success in the future as well. But you really need to stick with the plan. You really need to just focus on what you want. Just don't think, just don't let anyone manipulate you, because people will try to, because Knight of Pentacles is there in reverse. This person is really manipulative sometimes. People around you are manipulative. They want things to go by their way, and that is what full moon in Libra tells us about. So this month, 28th March was full moon in Libra, and full moon in Libra always tells us that balance is needed. Balance between you and your thoughts, balance between people around you and what you want, because people will try to manipulate you in the way that what they want. Whatever they want, they will try to tell you that do this, do that, because they want it, not because you want it. Okay, so try to understand the difference between what you want and what people want. So let's see why the Knight of Pentacles is there in reverse. The World. Wow. So this is the process which is ending, the bad endings which is actually coming to an end, bad things which are coming to an end. Let's see why the Three of Swords is there in reverse. Ten of Wands. Yeah. So you are offloading. I'm really getting it that you are getting a lot of load. You are getting a lot of pressure. But I feel that you are so tired now that you are ready to just end all this. You know, you really want to just throw off these wands. See, this person is literally, you know, he's tired of all these wands on his shoulder. So he's ready to just throw. So just be prepared. You are not here to carry loads on your shoulder of other people. You have your life. You have your issues as well. Alright? So that is all from my side, my Leos. I hope it helps, and we are going to meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.